So in this video, now we'll try to learn how to calculate sum of selected key values of a dictionary. So suppose in a dictionary we have three keys and we wanted to get only sum of two keys. So let me move to now Visual Studio and we can try how to do it. Okay. Now first I will go ahead and try to define D as dictionary. Okay. And we already know how to define dictionary. If you are not aware, you can go ahead and look into my playlist. So suppose just I am putting that one random key, or you can put any value for this one as well. No need to put a space also, and we can put that two. Okay, or we can put that in class 10th we have, or class any class this number of a student for one example. So what I can do, I can put class 1 have now 20 student. Okay, then class 2 have now 10 student, and class 3, okay, have now 5 student in a school. So these are that dictionary I have defined. Okay, or we can put in different way, Hindi books, English book, or anything whatever we want. But now I wanted to get that sum of class 1 and class 3, how many students are there. So what I can do, I can go ahead and do that print, and then to get that sum, first we need to use the D, and inside what we need to use, first I need to use that one. Okay, and then sorry, then plus again D and 3, because we wanted to take first and 3. And now if I go ahead and execute, we need to be 25 will be the output. So now we got it 25. So in this way, if we wanted to get any selected key value, some of those key value, we can get it for the dictionary. I hope you like this video. Thank you.